Coming to you live from our studios here at MS24. Welcome to MX Breaks. My name is Kwabena. And we are coming up. SEC warns public against investing with Chai Century Hung Group and Sairui E-Commerce Limited. Now to the details. The Security and Exchange Commission has issued a warning to the general public to be cautious of an investing firm, Chai Century Hung Group Limited, and its partner, Sairui E-Commerce Ghana Limited. Now, according to SEC, both firms have been undertaking illegal electronic investment transactions. A statement released by the regulator indicated that the two firms have not been licensed to undertake any capital market activity, which include investing and trading for returns as mandated by Section 3 of the Securities Industries Act. There's more in this report.
Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is a legal body mandated by the Securities and Industry Act 2016, Act 929, to promote the orderly growth and development of efficient, fair and transparent securities market in which investors and the integrity of the market are protected. One of the core functions of SEC is to maintain surveillance of activities in the securities industry and to protect investors by publishing at regular intervals information to the public to inform their investment decisions. On the basis of this, SEC, through a press release, has notified the general public that Chai Century Heng Group Limited and Sairui E-Commerce Ghana Limited have not been licensed by the Securities and Exchange Commission to carry out capital market activity, including investing or trading for returns, as mandated by Section 3 of the Securities and Industry Act 2016. In the release, SEC noted that Chai Century Heng Group Limited and Sairui E-Commerce Ghana Limited are therefore not regulated by SEC. In addition, the general public is advised to be cautious with investing in unlicensed products. The general public and investing public is therefore advised to consult SEC to confirm the licensing status of any firm offering products or services relating to investments in the capital market. SEC reassured all market operators, investors and the general public that it is dedicated to ensuring rigorous implementation of all the rules of public interest warning to the general public on electronic commerce in order to promote the orderly growth and development of efficient, fair and transparent securities markets in which investors and integrity of the market are protected.
Now let's do some more stories. Barely 5 months into the life of Ekumfi Fruits and Juices Factory under the Akufo-Addo-led government One District, One Factory initiative, Chief Operating Officer of the company, Frederick Kwabena, has revealed that the factory is overwhelmed by the enormous support from Ghanaians. Now, according to Frederick Akwa, the success struck by the factory so far is as a result of massive acceptance by the public, adding that the company has exceeded its initial target. The Chief Operating Officer of the company was speaking in an interview with MS24.
Sometimes I'm compelled to use the word overwhelmed by the kind of patronage that we have. You know, beginning a business, you make a certain projection going into the market, and you give yourself some timelines, etc., as in your rollout program to achieve full coverage. But from day one, we have enjoyed tremendous support, and to tell you the truth, we have even exceeded multiples of the projections that we did. And so we are enjoying the patronage that I wouldn't want to be doing numbers now, but we are doing so well in the market. You know that if you are coming up with a project, you put up some figures that you want to make. Yeah. I'm telling you that we are working far in excess of those figures. Yeah. Okay, so as I mentioned to you, when you have, say, your market exceeding your expectations, definitely it comes up to maybe the kind of resources you are putting through. Oh, yeah. We have projected and worked with some figures to do with our food, for example. But you know, we are overwhelmed, as I am saying, by the kind of support, patronage that we have, and so every now and then we have to be doing extra on the fruit. Mm-hmm. And you know that we are doing natural fruit, nothing but the fruit. Okay. Sometimes we get a little bit tough, but we are working on it.
Let's do some more stories. More than 15,000 beneficiaries have received support in grants and loans from the NBSSI and MasterCard Foundation COVID-19 Recovery and Resilience Program. Now, the program forms part of partnership between the National Board for Small-Scale Industries and the MasterCard Foundation, which focuses on supporting MSMEs and startups in sectors such as agriculture, agribusiness, water and sanitation, healthcare, and pharmaceutical. Other sectors are garment and personal protective equipment, the creative arts industry, manufacturing, food and beverages, among others, to recover from the economic shock of the pandemic. Now, those who received the amount not exceeding 2,000 Ghana cedis are food vendors, barbers, beauticians and dressmakers. A statement from the partners said the funds were paid into the mobile money wallet of beneficiaries, irrespective of their network operators. Now, the amount received both in formal and informal sector, depending on the size of the enterprise, the need and repayment capacity based on the information they shared on the technology platform. Now, the interest rate for the loan component under the program is 7%. Irrespective of the amount approved, the program provides a 12-month moratorium and a repayment period of up to 24 months. Now it's time to look at the performance of the cedi against the major trading currencies. We begin with the US dollar, selling at 5 cedi 76 pesos, with a 0.01 differential for the buying price at 5 cedi 75 pesos. Also, the pound sterling pegged at 7 cedi 81 pesos. Of course, the Japanese yen pegged at 5 pesos. Let's shift focus to the commodities market. Gold selling at $1,849 per ounce. Of course, cocoa pegged at $2,496 per metric ton. Crude prices pegged at $55 per barrel. These are the figures, as usual, to rely on for those within the financial sector. That's it for business. My name is Kwabena Abia. Keep watching MS24.